The Fall Air Resistance Interactive Calculator determines how objects fall through air when drag forces are present. Let's examine the input fields. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. Options include terminal velocity, drag force at given velocity, time to reach terminal velocity, velocity at specific time, distance fallen in time, and drag coefficient from terminal velocity. For this demonstration, I'll use terminal velocity. Enter mass in kilograms. Cross-sectional area in square meters, drag coefficient CD as a dimensionless value, and air density in kilograms per cubic meter. Additional fields include velocity in meters per second, time in seconds, and terminal velocity in meters per second, though not all are needed for every calculation mode. Here's our example. With mass at 75 kilograms, cross-sectional area at 0.5 square meters, drag coefficient at 1.0, and air density at 1.225 kilograms per cubic meter. Clicking Calculate gives us 4 results. Terminal velocity equals 49.01 meters per second, or 176.45 kilometers per hour. Drag force at terminal is 735.75 newtons. Drag parameter B equals 0.004083 per meter. Time to reach 95% terminal velocity is 45.73 seconds. These values help engineers analyze parachute designs, falling equipment, or any scenario involving air resistance. Find the link in the description below.